In this video, we are going to see how to install pgAdmin plus Postgres app on macOS. So first you need to open the Chrome and search for Postgres app. So in the first link, make sure it's postgresapp.com. So click on downloads. So here you will be having the latest release and just click on download. Also we need a pgAdmin. So this one, you can choose the first link. Make sure it's pgadmin.org, and in the downloads option you can see the latest version. So I'm downloading these two, the first version. So first we have downloaded Postgres app, also we downloaded this pgAdmin. So these two are there actually. So just click on Postgres app initially and just drag this to the application folder, so that will copy this application to this folder. So that's done, and now this Postgres will be available on our application. It's there. In the same way we have to do for the other one as well. So here is pgAdmin. Just double click on it, just agree. So it's taking some time to install pgAdmin. So first we have to make sure the Postgres is running, then we can open up the pgAdmin to connect to the database to execute our queries. This is also almost done. So same way we have to drag and drop this pgAdmin to this application. So meanwhile what we can do is, you can go here, click on this Postgres app. First time it will ask for the permission, so you have to grant it. So the Postgres is currently running. You can see a icon over here as well showing it's running. The copy is not yet finished, so once it's finished copying, we'll be able to see the pgAdmin over here in this tab. The copying is completed. So the same will be able to see it here as well. So just open it. So like the same, it's asking for permission for the first time. So using this pgAdmin, we'll be able to connect to the existing Postgres. So here you can see the servers. So first time it will ask for a password. So initially I have set it up, so that's why I haven't given any password, so it's asking like that. So you will be getting a pop-up initially asking to set up a password. So if you set up, you will be able to use the same password for next login. And here this is, you will be able to see the existing databases. So you can click on Postgres. If you want to execute a query, just click over here and you can see a query tool here. So here you can create tables, create databases, or you can write queries. So whatever it is required, you can perform it over here. For example, we'll try creating a table. Create table and the table name. So I'll say it like table demo, then I can give the field names. So for example, I'll select field name 1 and the type, that will be an integer type, and I'm specifying field name 2 float type, and I am creating another field name 3, which is of or char, and the size you have to specify, let it be 50. I can execute the query by clicking here, so it's executed successfully. So if I want to get the details from here, I can simply select star from table demo. Yeah, so you can see field name. So all the details are here actually, and you can perform other insert queries if you need to insert data. For fetching, you can use this one, and you have created this one, right? So you can, this table called table demo, you can go here in this, right? We are under Postgres database, and you can see schemas. So under public schema, we haven't specified any key schema here. So under this public schema, you can go over here. Yeah, you can see tables, right? Click on the tables, so you can see the current table here. So you can either write query over here, or else like you can right click on here and you can create a table here. You have to specify the table names, the columns. So this is also one another method that you can use to create tables. So the installation of Postgres and pgAdmin is completed. Now you can work on it.